In this video, I'm going to teach you a trick about circumference. So if we have a problem like this that says the diameter of the circle is 20 centimeters, what is the circumference of the circle? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So here we have our circle, and here we could see the diameter, which goes from here to here, is 20 centimeters. So the equation for the circumference of a circle is C is circumference, equals 2 times pi times r. So you're probably thinking, what do those things mean? Well, first let's remember that the circumference is the distance around a circle. Okay, so it's just you walking around this whole circle. How far is that distance? Okay, so it's not as simple to do as it is for a square, for example. So for a circle, when you find the circumference, the distance around it, you have to use this equation. So pi, you use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. That's basically a number. Pi is actually a very long number, but usually we use 3.14 as an approximation. So pi equals this symbol, which is approximately equal 3.14. Now r is the radius. So the radius is halfway between here to the end of the circle. So here we have the diameter. The diameter is given to us. So the radius is equal to half of the diameter, right? It's halfway. The diameter is from here to here. The radius is from here to here. Okay, so that means it would be 10 centimeters. So here's the radius from here to here at 10 centimeters. So now we just plug in the numbers into the equation to get the circumference. So the circumference is approximately equal to 2 times 3.14 times 10. And it's an approximation because 3.14 is not an exact number for pi. Okay? So then you just calculate it out, and it's approximately 62.8. So the circumference of the circle is approximately 62.8 centimeters. And this is already rounded to the 10th, so we don't need to do any further rounding. And that's it. That's all there is to this kind of question when you're given a diameter instead of the radius. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could download the ebook. You'll find the link in the description to the ebook. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. And you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.